Hi everyone, this is Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and today we're going to be unboxing a Potomac Beads subscription box for March. Let's get it out of the package and take a look at what's inside. If you like beads, these are awesome ways to check out a whole bunch of different beads and supplies at a fraction of the price you would pay if you bought them individually. So let's just go ahead and get everything out. Yes, you get this much stuff. Oh, 1 minute, I'll be right back. I have been working on making these special little wands, and look at this bead that they included. Does it not remind you of this? These are a 14mm check faceted round and a sunset AB. These are definitely a big and beautiful glass bead. And there's 6 of them in this box, so you have a few to play around with. I want to take a look at these Eva beads. They're a chevron shape. Every time I see an Eva bead, it does remind me of the Ava bead that was designed and created by Gianna Zimmerman many years ago, maybe 7, 8 years ago. She's an amazing beader. She has a great YouTube channel that you can learn so much from. I'll link it below, so if you haven't already checked out some of her tutorials, you can. But these are not her bead, although I feel like she originated the shape of a 2-hole bead for us. And they came in a jet bronze, and they included quite a few in this box. Here is a 6mm smooth check glass bead. The pack has a variety of neutral colors. This is an entire strand of 8mm smooth check glass beads. And there's these check faceted rondelles. They're 9mm. They have a little bit of an AB finish on them. And another strand of 4mm check faceted rounds. And a strand of check daggers. These are sort of an amber color with a bit of a gold on them. These check flat hearts or leaf hearts, depending on which description you're looking at, are an Peridot AB. And of course, there's some check coffee bean beads. Look at these. They look just like the real thing. How cool is that? There are 8mm round natural wood beads. And the Potomac crystal bicones and a 6mm smoky topaz AB. And a full tube of Miyuki seed beads, a size 8. These are a translucent slate color. Make sure you put the cap on tight. And there's wax linen cord by Bead Tech in 3 different colors. It knots really well. I used it previously in different projects, as you can see. And 2 sets of these lever back ear wires. And check table cut tile beads with a starburst pattern right in the middle. And these are check flat cube beads. And some 8mm corrugated melon beads. They're premium antique brass plated. They have some weight to them. They also included this large bag of check glass beads. It's just a mix of different beads and different colors. So look at that. This color palette has such an earthy and natural feel to it. If you're looking for more details, check out the video description, and as always, have a beautiful day.